Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get started. What do we have here? I don't know. Gotta open the box up to see what we have here. Okay, so I ordered this recently to replace what I have on my wrist. And I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna go right into it. Oof. Ouch. Ooh, man, look at this thing. It's the Nike version of the Series 6. So you can see right there. 44mm silver aluminum casing. This is what we're gonna unbox today. Let's get started. Before I unbox the Apple Watch Series 6, let me talk a little bit about my Series 3. Now, I buy Apple Watches. I bought the first one, and then I bought the third one. The software that came out recently, which is 7.0.1, with the Apple Watch Series 3. So you can see on the bottom, this is the Series 3. Let's put this on this side. The Nike version, Series 3. This one right here, my battery is draining really fast. So I wake up 4 a.m. every morning. It lasts me only till 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then my battery would die. I'm very disappointed with Apple. They need to fix this issue. A lot of people still have their Series 3, and I've been reading about it. A lot of people are having this issue. So please, Apple, do something about it. Bring out 7.1.2, whatever you need to bring out to fix this issue. The battery is draining on everything that's lower. That's Series 3, 2, and 1. It's just a useless watch. It keeps restarting. Apple logo comes on it. It restarts every once in a while, and battery dies on it. I recently, about 5 minutes ago, charged it. That's why you see 87%, but it'll go down very fast, very quickly. That's my Series 3 right now, and let's open the Series 6 up. Hopefully this should be better. I'm gonna use this one for my personal watch. I'm gonna retire the Series 3. It's been very good to me for 2 years, until recently when the new software came out. It's been pooping on me every day, not literally. Before we open this, what does this have that the Series 3 does not have? Okay, a closer look at Apple Watch Series 6. Measure your blood oxygen. So this will measure your blood oxygen level. Check your rhythm with ECG app. You can check your rhythm of your heart rate with the ECG app. What do you have in the box? You have the Apple Watch, you have the band, and you have your charger. That's all it comes with. So this is the 44mm case, 30% larger display. That's what I like to hear. You have a larger display than the Series 3. Okay, so this has always on Retina LTPO OLED display. It has the 1000 nits Ion X glass display on aluminum case. It comes with GPS and GPS plus cellular. This is not the cellular. This one right here comes with the S6 SIP with 64-bit dual core processor, W3 wireless chip, UI chip, ultra wideband, digital crown with haptic feed, blood oxygen sensor, electrical heart sensor, and second generation optical heart sensor. High and low heart rate notification, irregular heart rhythm notification, and ECG app. International emergency calling, emergency SOS, and fall detection. Also with fault detection. Water resistant 50 meters, LTE and UMTS, Wi-Fi band and Bluetooth 5.0, GPS/GNSS, compass, and always on altimeter. 50% louder speaker, built-in mic. So it has a 50% louder speaker. That's what I always wanted in the Series 3. I wish the speaker was a little bit louder, so now we're gonna try this out, how loud the speaker is. 32 gig capacity, and that's about it. Doesn't have that much than the Series 3, just a bigger display, louder speaker, bigger battery. You can measure your blood oxygen and then ECG app, and that's basically it. Not that much difference. $429 $149.99. The more stuff you add on there, so if you want the GPS and a cellular one, it's $529.99. If you want just the GPS one, it's $429. It works with AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile. Don't buy Apple Care for this. Please don't buy Apple Care for this. I took this in like 3-4 times because I had a password issue. They didn't do anything about it. Apple used to be good. I would take them my old iPhone, whatever, they would just replace it for me and give me a new one, and that's it. I took this in like 3-4 times. They told me restart your watch, restart your Bluetooth, restart this, restart that, and it's just too much that they made me go through to fix my password. I ended up just putting no password on there. That was my only option. So for Apple Care, don't get Apple Care if you're buying an Apple Watch. But if you have AirPod Pros, AirPods, regular AirPods, get Apple Care for that. You will need it, trust me. I've been an Apple guy for a while now. So get Apple Care for AirPod Pros, regular AirPods, but don't get Apple Care for this or your phone. Go through your wireless carrier. They have like something like $9.99 a month. You lose your phone, you do whatever, they can replace it for $200, send you a brand new one. Trust me on that. Talked enough about it. Alright, let's open this up. We don't need our knife to open this thing up. We can just peel this right off. Bam. I waited a long time to get an Apple Watch, so finally I got a newer one. Okay, how do you open this? Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Nice packaging right there. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Look at that. The Nike version. Okay, so you have 2 boxes. One of them is your band. We'll open that up later. Let's open this up first. Let's put this to the side. Okay, what do we have here? So open this up and this side up. Oh, okay. Alright, put this to the side. Let's see what's in here first. No Apple logos, just a quick guide. Put this to the side. Here's your charging, USB charging. Okay, this is the watch. Oof, aluminum one, just like this one. I like the aluminum one. I don't know why, it just looks better on me. Oof, look at this. Larger display. Wow. Looks much better. Bigger speakers. So let's take this one off so you can see the speakers. Let's look at the back. Compare the back to this one. That looks pretty cool. You see the difference within the size? Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. I do need a larger display. I usually put my crown to the left side because I don't want the crown to be touching right here. You can tell I wear Apple Watch. This area is all white. Let's try this out and turn this on. You can see all the scratches on this one. I don't know if you guys can see the scratches on it, but yep, right there, big scratches right there. I use my Apple Watch until it dies. In this one, I feel like it was dying right now, so the scratches right there. Let's put this to the side for now. Go into the band. Let's open this up. This is the band that I chose. It's like dark gray color. Okay. Cool. Ooh. Okay, so this is my band. Oh, that's cool. Alright, that's how you open it. Peel this out. And this is my band. It's elastic band. This is how you close it. So it should be just like this right there. Alright, let's attach that to the Apple Watch. Alright, let's see how this looks like. Damn. Look at this. Compare this to this. It's a little bit larger. I'm gonna set this up with my iPhone. Like usual, you go into your iPhone, you just get it closer to your iPhone. This will pop up, press continue. So just go in here, should start detecting it. There you go. I'll just do a setup new Apple Watch. Okay, so Apple Watch is ready to go. Comes with new Apple face. You have always on display. The apps are much smoother. Response are very good on it. Obviously, I'm gonna check my blood oxygen level. Okay, so make sure your watch is not too low on your wrists. Your watch band should be snug but comfortable. Keep your watch facing up. Try not to move wrists. Your wrists on a table can help. Okay, so let's put the wrist on the table and press done, and let's see what we have. start. Blood oxygen level is 98%. That's good. Most people have blood oxygen level of 95 to 100%. Your blood oxygen level can vary throughout the day. That's the difference between the Series 3. You have variety of other face gallery on your phone that you can choose. Mostly the same exact one that you used to have. I wish it had a little bit more that you can choose from, or customize your own that's always on display. And if I go up like this, it'll turn on, and then if I just let my hand loose like this, and it'll just go into dark mode. So always on display. I go up, it'll pop up, it'll tell me the time, and if I go down and just relax, it'll just go back down. And if you get a notification, if it's in gray mode like this, the notification in the background will just be gray until you go up like this. Then you will be able to see the notification. So if you don't want other people to see your notifications, if it's in dark mode like this, no one will see the notification. It'll just be gray. But once you go up to your face, towards your face, notification should pop up and you'll be able to see your notifications. Now that is awesome. That's the thing that I like about Apple Watches and Apple. They think about things that are important. I don't want, if I am in a meeting or something, if I go prayers, Friday prayers, I don't want people to see my notifications. So here we go. This is it. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time now. So in my videos, you'll start seeing this Apple Watch. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna be wearing this most of the time now. So this is all about it with the Apple Watch. There's nothing more to it, and it's simple as that. Remember, don't get Apple Care with Apple Watch or iPhones or iPads. Just go with your carrier. Verizon. I have Verizon. They take care of me all the time. So like and subscribe, and I will put more content out there for you guys. Peace.